I apologize for this fourth video, guys, but these 5-minute timers are not enough, and I really want to make sure that I can share this info with you to make it most useful for you today. So please bear with me here. So remember, you can always pause, stop, rewind, listen again, write down questions on the side, whatever that may be to help you with this, but I hope that this can be a good source for you. So this last point here was to plot the pairs in the table on the coordinate plane. So as we look at these points on the table, I know that my x's here, which are these, and my y's deals with these numbers that are vertical. So I'm going to look at 1, and I'm going to go up to 8. These are counting by 2's. 2, 16, 3, 24, 4, 32, 5, 40, and 6, 48. So after this is graphed, you could draw a line if you needed to, but you should be able to determine that this has a constant rate, right? I notice that for every x I go up by 1, I go up by 8 for my y's. So what do you notice about the graph? That this graph is proportional, right? It's going up 8 for every 1x. So we can determine that this will start at 0, 0, because if I go back 1, I'm at 0. If I go back 8, I'm at 0, right? We can predict that. So it's going to go through the origin. Go here. Oh, man. It's going to go through the origin, and it's going to create a straight line for us. So please remember those two things. That what do we notice about this graph is that it's proportional because it starts at the origin and is a straight line. The last activity we did as a class is seagulls eat what? I can't remember a seagull joke, but I think it had something to do with bagels. If you come up with it, write it down for me. It's a good dad joke. So 4 seagulls ate 10 pounds of garbage, we remember, right? So plot a point that shows the number of seagulls and the amount of garbage they ate. So we know the 4 and 10, that's a fact. So 4 seagulls ate 10 pounds. So this red point is for question 1. Now question 2, it says use a straight edge to draw a line through 0, 0. So I knew 0, 0 was here, and I'm drawing a straight line to go straight across to this point. So I'm connecting 0, 0 past this red point here. Okay? And then the last question here is plot 1 in K. So there's a couple things you could do. I could look at 1 here and see where it passes on the line and determine that it's about 1.25, or we could use unit rate. If I know that 4 seagulls ate 10 pounds, if I divide 4 seagulls by 4, that'd give me 1 seagull. So what you do to one side, you do to the other. So I take 10 pounds and divide it by 4, you get 2.5. So you can determine now, if I break it down, that 1 seagull ate 2.5 pounds. And it's okay to do that because 2 things. We know it's going through the origin and we know it's a straight line. So I can divide that and predict that it's going to be proportional to each other. Okay? So after those videos and taking those notes, we just have 2 more things, which is a quick Desmos activity based off today's lesson. And then I have an exit slip that has 1 question on it, but also give me advice on what I could do next time for these situations to help make things better in the class or how things are going or your understanding of it. So once again, please take the notes today. Second, practice this Desmos activity. And third, complete your cool down exit slip. Any questions, like I said, please email me, but I hope you have a great day today. I'm so sorry I can't be there. I'll keep you guys posted on what is going on. And please remember, candy corn and peanuts are life. Have a great day, and thank you so much.